Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Vigo County, Sullivan County, southwestern Hendricks County, north central Knox County, Clay County, western Owen County, southeastern Park County, western Greene County, Putnam County, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:32 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles east of Clinton to near St. Marie, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Terre Haute, Greencastle, Danville, Brazil, Lincoln, Sullivan, West Harrisode, Jacksonville, Cloverdale, Shelburne, Perrine, Prairie Creek, Farmersburg, Sellville, Duggar, Knightsville, Clay City, Pyra, Lyons, and Fairbanks. This includes Interstate 70 with 3-mile markers 147. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement to a small central room in the sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for central, southwestern, and west central Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Indiana: Clay, Greene, Hendricks, Knox, Owen, Park, Putnam, Sullivan, and Vigo.